Welcome back to Optimal FS. In this video, I will show you another powerful strategy you can use to trade volatility chain index profitably. Now, this particular strategy works best in 15 minutes time frame. Do you understand? Now, this is towards the end of the video, I will show you the settings for the indicators used in this particular strategy. Now, the indicators used here are moving average and MACD. MACD. Now, there is two sections of MACD. Above 0.0000 is the positive section of MACD, while below 0.0000 is the negative section of what MACD. Now, when there is a move from the negative to the positive side of MACD, that is you are taking a buy position. While when there is movement from the positive side of MACD to down to negative side of MACD, you are meant to take sell position, provided there is a simultaneous crossing of what the candlesticks across the moving average. Now, this is how the strategy works. When there is a simultaneous crossing, the candlestick is crossing the moving average, and at the same time there is a crossing in the MACD section. At the same time, you are taking a sell position. Do you understand? If you watch, there is a move from the top side of MACD towards the downside of MACD, so you are made to take sell position. Do you understand? All right, let's move. Now, observe again, you will see that there is a simultaneous crossing of MACD, and at the same time, the candlestick is crossing the moving average at the same time. So, you take your sell position. Do you understand? We move. Watch here. There is another crossing here. There is another simultaneous crossing here. This is MACD crossing, and at the same time candlesticks crossing the moving average. You take here buy position. This is a lot of gain for you. Do you understand? Simple strategy with high profiting rates. Do you understand? Here now, watch here, let me show you something. Watch here, there is a crossing here. Watch here, there is a crossing here. Do you understand? Now let's see. This is where you see, is there any crossing here? There is no crossing here, so you don't take this trade. You don't take this particular trade because there is no simultaneous crossing. Do you understand? So we move. Now watch here, there is another crossing here. There is another crossing here. This is a crossing. Do you understand? Now let's see if there is a simultaneous crossing. Watch, can you see it? There is a crossing also. So you take here what? Buy position. As easy as that. Take a buy position and go away from the market. There is another opportunity here for you to sell. Watch it. This is a crossing outside of MACD, and there is a simultaneous crossing outside of what? The candlesticks crossing the moving average. So you take a sell position and make your gain. And if you observe very well, there is another crossing here. There is another simultaneous crossing here. There is another simultaneous crossing here. Watch it. It is a crossing. So let's see where actually this particular crossing occur. Look at it. There is a simultaneous crossing here. So you take sell position, as easy as that, and make your profit. Do you understand? This strategy pays very well. Just follow the procedure. You see, this is a lot of gain for you. There is now watch closely. Let me show you something again. Watch closely. Let me show you something again. There is a crossing here. There is a crossing here. Now let's see if there is a simultaneous crossing. above. Now this is where the price is. Is there any crossing? Of course, there is no crossing. Look at it. There is no crossing. So this is not a profitable trade. You don't take such a trade. You understand? Now let's proceed. There is another crossing here. There is another crossing here. This is a crossing. Now let's see. There is a simultaneous crossing. Now see it. There is a crossing. So you take your position here. And this is a lot of gain, as easy as that. You keep on making the market, keep on making your profit. Now let me show you the settings. For the indicators. The first indicator is the moving average. The period is 90. The method is exponential. Apply to close. Now the second indicator is MACD. The fast EMA is 12. Slow EMA is 26. MACD SMA 5. Apply to close. Do you understand? That is all about the indicators. Stay glued to this channel as I release another powerful strategy very soon. Thank you.